Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree, and about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty, I'm going to get into my January empties. Today's January 31st, and I did curl my hair. Well, doubt it's going to last. Let me know if you have any recommendations for the Shark Airwrap thing, the flex thing, if it's staying, because I would like to have my hair be wavy, but so I didn't use up that much stuff. And also stay tuned for, I'm doing a bunch of project pans. I had the playlist on my channel, and I will be doing updates throughout, February, because I started them in January. But I'm also filming a video of me taking my products to Ulta for the first time for the pack program, and I'm cleaning them and getting them all ready. I'm doing that today that I'm filming, because one of my daughters is getting her haircut tomorrow at Ulta, and then the other one is getting her haircut the following weekend at Ulta. And this is the Ulta I used to work at. So yeah, you didn't know I used to work at Ulta. It was really fun. If you want a cool part-time job, it is just, be careful because the discount. But yeah, let's get into it. So this I just finished today. It is getting real messy, but it's done. And I've repurchased this multiple times. This is like my first rodeo. I don't know. Let me know your recommendations for glowy sunscreens, your favorite sunscreens. This is the e.l.f. Sun-Touchable Woe Glow Brow Spectrum 30 in the shade Sunbeam, as you can see. But it's sad. I'm still not happy with e.l.f. And then I swear there's some mascara in here, unless I already got rid of it, from one of my friends that sent me. I believe it's the Collection Blue mascara. I don't know where it is, but it's definitely old because I got it in like October. So I got it in October. And then this, I repurchased the Dermatica Restoring Ceramide Skin Balm. It is for extreme dryness. It's pretty much like a vegan, cruelty-free, like Vaseline alternative. And it has no scent to it. It's just really nice and hydrating. My skin is so beyond dry, and I was struggling with eczema when I got this, I believe. So I've repurchased it. You only need like a little bit. It's $7 and it's a tin, so it's sustainable. And then I used up I think I used this up yesterday. I can't get this little bit out. What is this brand? I can't remember the brand. I'll put it on the screen. But the scent is Soothe and Comfort Cashmere Vanilla. Just a little mini of this. It was okay. I got it at Target. I can't remember the scent. Is it Finery? Maybe it's Finery. And then I used up the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice 5 Ceramide Barrier Moisturizer Cream. This is really hydrating. I did go through this within like a month. I don't know if that's normal for moisturizers. I do like that they are sustainable, or at least this product is. And I do like the brand. I'm using their oil cleansing. I'm using their makeup remover, like the cleansing oil, and I really like it. And then I used up, and I repurchased this in different versions. I'm using the bonding one right now. The Dove 10-in-1 Serum Mask, Hyaluronic, and Moisture. I do really like this. This was a Abby Young recommendation, and I love it. It's $10. It's $10, and it's really, really good if you have dry hair. I have dry hair about here down, and then I have an oily prone scalp. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else I've used up. Oh, I almost forgot. I used up today, this has basically been done, the Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo, which it was okay. I got this in FabFitFun. I don't know when, but I'll just show you. This is the bit, and I've had this for a while. It smells like a stereotypical men's deodorant. I don't know how to also describe this. Like a fresh scent, but it was all right. I still like the Garnier, and Dove has good shampoo, so you don't need to spend a lot for shampoos. Just saying. I don't think so. I'm going to be doing monthly empties. This is just like a short video. The project plans that I'm doing, if you are interested in them, or if you're doing them, or if you like to watch them from afar, I'm doing deck of panning. So I'll be posting a video on the 20th of every month showing the items that are rolling into that project, as well as, I don't know if they do rollouts, but my progress on the products previously. And then I'm doing 10 uses, which I am going to film my second video for that because I've already used products 10 times. It did take me up until yesterday, January 30th, to do that. I finished the other products like 10 times, or I use the products 10 times. The other, I use all but one of the products 10 times the week prior, but yeah, that took a while. And then, or at least a while for me. I don't know how quickly other people do it, but anyway. And then I'm also doing use 2020. I'm also doing use 26 products in 2026. Say that 3 times fast. And I also used up one of them today. So I'm really happy, but I was almost done with it anyway. And then I'm doing no pan left behind, so using every eyeshadow in every eyeshadow palette in my collection. And I think that's it. Let me know if you are doing any of those, if you've done any of those before. And if you haven't already, click subscribe, hype, and like if you enjoy this video. And let me know if you like empties videos. I like old school YouTube videos as well as newer videos, newer videos. Let me know what you like. And I hope you're having a great day, week. Today is Saturday for me. And I'm making sourdough bread. I'm making gluten-free and vegan sourdough bread. So if you want to know more about that, you can comment down below. And I hope to see you in my next video.